Nkosazana daughter, bra. Nkosazana daughter. So ngitshela ukuthi ubonile la wabuhle uphila plant that girl she's so beautiful. Yo. Baba, bra. Oh, so I saw you, bra, on Big Brother season 5. Is in season 5? Yes, season 5. Yeah. Yeah. Hayi wena.
baby. Ngicela ningishuteni man. Yona ithole kanjani?
Umjito uvayile sibali.
Leyo
sibali.
Siyashuta.
Hey. And I saw you kule video le bokhona ila bekadabukela khona I think dress or yini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what happened kulalanga vele?
Okulelanga kahle kwakumele siperforme siyi4 that day.
Oh ila benisaja because I saw i-background yini benithanda ukujayivela la eclinic. Benadvertisern ukugula. How many people saw you on that stage of Big Brother? How many people saw you on that stage with Nkosazana? How many people saw that music video of Master KG? Ungitshela ukuthi asukubonanga.
Which one is this one? Sila. Location. Sila. Location. Ewe. Ila. Ese. Mira. Eita. Hola. Conres. Boga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Ila. Location. Sila.
Checklist of it. Yoba kungafani. Yoba kuyilena bathini all black. Plus now ugqoke black. Now black. Now black. Angithola. For represent ayilena. Charcoal ngiyabona. Ngathi lezi eziviya bathini country le enabafazi abacinile. Igana. Hey for sure igana.
Labantu abamnyama nje kuphela.
Yeah, akuna yellow bone. Uma yellow bone igana bayakubulala. Uyisimangalisi. Yabamangaza. Oh, la bafethu. Welcome back bafethu. Njengomgogo ke we are back bafethu. Just like not your father, we are here. We are back. #Sela podcasting comedy bafethu. Yes, this is your host ke ayena kana la madiamo nna msipidi ga itsa mapula na masakhe pisana na boy ke mokale pheko se se go nga ga se ke nna ke ngwana tsia gala ka modira matepe sa mtsia ke a ke tshaba ditekeno ba ke compana go ke moramphela la mahlaga go sekolo sa maitsheng le mahlako wa fe. As always sizakalana ngalenta
Wasingazivakali lephambi.
angithi bathi ngafuleli volume la ukuthi ngathi tsi yazaka yeah shita. As always bafethu angihambi ngiyi-one bafethu ngiphethe nathi our ghost man of the podcast bafethu ghost man mari semakhamereni just imagine hayi ngitshelile ngathi amashangana yaloya ngithi bafethu give it up to your one and only bafethu the writer bafethu the podcaster bafethu the comedian bafethu the thespian bafethu give it up to your one and only uMatime. Kesa ke bafethu ukuthi siphethe bani size nenye size nobomb ke today siyathanda ukhipha ubomb bathi khipha ubomb size nobomb today bafethu. Yeah. Oh igwama akasho ukuthi ibomb. Mina ngithi ubomb lo mjita. Bafethu siphethena bafethu the influencer bafethu TikTok bathini YouTube influencer bafethu the dancer bafethu give it up to one and only bafethu uSK bafethu today ke ay today I'm so nervous ngithukile untwana athi uthe wona uthukile ukuza la but ngithe mangenza research ngawo ukuthi hey yitho kumele sithuke muzi uthi lo mjito yeza yini
Ngiyawasaba amakhamera.
yeah
Ngishaye.
Amakhamera
afana nabantu.
Phela uthi skipper.
Awazikhiphe.
Yeah. Welcome to We Are Here. #Sila Podcast and Comedy.
That's boy.
Yeah. We are welcome. We are happy that we are here, my man. Yo. Since isagcina kuba ne-dancer, sazi kule podcast le We Are Here saba ne-dancer. Since isagcina kuba ne-dancer kubathini? Kuwabatheki. Ne-episode yakhona zikazi sayiposta because of kwenzeka sayila. Hey wena. I hope le ngeke siyilale. Mara manje hayi. Sebaphethe professional ngalesa sikhathi bongasibe ngedithaya ngalesa sikhathi. Yeah. Uthi Skipper, before we can interview you, maybe we can speak about 2 or 3 of our topics. That's how we do our things. Kulana ukuthi before we singena ku guest yethu, okay, we may speak about maybe 2 or 3 topics ukuthi abantu babe aligned ukuthi kwenzakalana emhlabeni, you know. So angazi Mathabini, what's on your mind? Because wena ngiyakwazi itori zakho yeah. Yeah. Wabona maqala ngokuthama nganami ngiyakwazi.
Yazi mngani wami la eGoli kahle lo mhlaba olunganga. Lo mhlaba mubi.
Kwenzakaleni?
Cabanga basusa izinto zabo ezobugemegeme la basuka khona bazozilahlela la eThembisa. Cabanga bathi abantu bakidnapiwe. Abantu like batshontshe imali. Bakidnapa bakuthathela imali e-accountini yakho yazini
e-accountini yakho kanjani phela ukhuluma bakidnap
baceda bakucola imali
ukucola kwenzani ncedani umakhelwane
bawuthatha chelete
yeah mara no phela ngena umzulu mina hawu ncedani phela nikhuluma ngafuna ukukhuluma nishoni
bawuthatha chelete
So they take you to the bank or bona bayahamba baye
bank ba 13 I think baceda utransfer imali accountini yabo something.
Wow.
Yeah bakuthathela nemoto
amaphoyisa awakwazi ukutracer le account leyo bayisendelile. At least.
Babambile manje bathi babamba abayi5 eThembisa. Yes bali.
Thembisa.
Yeah basuka eLentuzana. Nasi story sakho. Basuke in the Eden Vale
labantu basuke
la eThembisa
injalo vele abantu igebengu akunasigebengu esingasuka like isigebengu esila eGalfontein sizotshontsha la eGalfontein ayikwenzeki akusisigebengu lo uyaclaim isigebengu isuka la setshontshe amasababa basuka le bazotshontsha la
manje ungazi ukidnap for
angithi bakidnapela ukuthi wena uzobapha imali
hey
kidnapping ayiqali ngabi khona la emhlabeni everyday if ungacheka kuThembisa online or ku News everyday they are posting missing people yeah everyday baya post ukuthi missing person everyday nabantwana abancane bayapi labantu mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bayapi labantu sibali nomuntu omdala phela uyalahleka lapha umuntu omdala olahleka kanjani first of all
amdala
hayi so kusho ukuthi manje uJune icrime iyaphezulu manje abantu bafuna imali because ngizwe bathi kunanenye drug manje bayakwazi ukudraga umuntu makuthasha kanje iyakungena le drug and ubadizi bakwazi ukuthathela into zakho
sase drug or ubuthakathi lo
idrug akusibuthakathi bathi buye eBrazil bathi yini na school monovia I think so school monovia if not mistaken idrug yakhona bathi like umuntu mangakubamba like akubamba kanje iskin sakho kuyangena lo muntu lo enye video ngibonile bathi lo muntu lo like leyo bebafuna ukumbamba bayenzile kuye ne behamba ngemoto athi makumele angene emotweni collapse because of beka drugged yeah maqeda collapse lo mjida lo wangena emotweni athatha zonke izinto athatha lo my sister lahlela le imoto hamba nemoto just imagine and bathi seyila eMzansi manje so mina all I could say ukuthi asibeni careful bafethu kubi la ngaphandle kubi abantu balambile there are no jobs eSouth Africa
Ayi.
nabo somehow asale bayenza umsebenzi wabo kodwa hey
Akusemsebenzi.
umsebenzi wabo
Wona ke umuntu okubangisayo ngowenza umsebenzi wakho wayengamele wona
hey wakwamele wona babangisa abantu bakuhlonipha yabona if usebenza as a security or maybe Shoprite or somewhere masingena lapha if weekend or yini siyakuhlonipha ngithi ukuthi usesipanini nabo bahloniphe basesipanini umsebenzi wabo mabathi khipha umsebenzi wabo wento
hayi
Samoa bazothi sipromote ubugebengu hey Vele ngiyakuza SK
Awe.
yeah I think we have a lot to discuss cause hey ngithe mangenza research yeah. So tell me bro you are a dancer
Yeah.
let me say a professional dancer
Professional,
yeah kuze kanjani ukuthi ube idancer nje usho ukuthi uvele uthe maqeda ukuzalwa nje wabona inyawo selithi bathana umajayivayo
ngoba mina mangikhumbula grand umjida lo bese actor nayo ku Galfantin
how so from acting to dancing
to dance
or you can do them both
Sometimes both. Actually, I'm not very good at acting, but directing.
oh you can direct
Yeah.
but a director can be an actor
Yes,
At any
I-
time.
I'm not really good at acting.
but directing you're good at you also direct when you're kuma routine lapha
Yeah, my routine. Kunezinye izinto nje ngizidirectayo.
oh
It's cool.
okay so you started doing directing ku Galfantin skits or you did dancing first
Actually, dancing I took that like
how
Yeah.
but but your videos it looked like lento le passion akudala kudala unayo le passion le usuka nayo kude
asithi uqale nini ukujive
ukujayiva ngiqale 2020 yeah. But
2020
bengajayivi lokho kuserious ukujayiva nje. Ngiqale
oh
2021 ukuthatha dance serious and I was
can
like,
you
okay,
please hold the mic for me
okay.
yeah ngifuna bathi hey wamyeka lo mjita angazwakali ibambe ngayika nje
Nje ngiyibeke.
uzosondela uyamyeka lo mjita angazwakali so you say you started 2020 nge-corona
Yeah. 2020 ayila ngiqale khona vele.
oh we vaccine kahle kahle
yeah i-career yakhe i-vaccine i-vaccine yeah so i-pandemic akusi-vaccine i-pandemic
Yeah, ngibambile lapho.
so because of you were doing i-directing ku-Case Kids ne
Angiqala nge-acting ku-Case Kids.
you started doing what
Acting ngiqale it was 2019 yeah.
okay
Yeah, I was still doing grade 9 yeah.
ku-Case Kids or
Yeah.
somewhere else
Then yeah. There was this weekly classmate yabo so he told me about this other guy so it's like he's doing directing as a the name of the crew there was Heroes of Tomorrow Art Academy yeah.
okay
That's when ngengena khona ku-acting lapho. Then from lapha ke I did acting vele. Then 2020 I was like hayi ngizame something else angeke bekithe one waya cause yabo into bengena progress vele so kumele
yeah
ubheke something else.
cause vele angithi these days bathini artist akusana ukuthi umajayiva kuphela i-actor kuphela if uyakwazi ukuzenza zonke do them
Yeah.
ngeke wazi ukuthi uyophumelela ngani you understand
Yeah.
so mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi okay mawubona ukuthi ngeke ngenza into eyi-one I can't do i-dancing kuphela what yini le idea yenze ukuthi let me try i-dancing who inspired you kahle kahle ukuthi umbone istage ngathi man ngeke ngiyombono ngeke angihlule le or maybe ubone uyazi le ejayiva ngama-crutches bathi ubani konje la uthi leya maybe umbone lapha ku-idols ashaya leya fish dance yakwathi angeke
Vele akusiwo umuntu wechivi vele so angeke mazi.
Yeah.
But like into ezo ukuthi ngiqala ukujayiva kahle kahle kuneyi impintshi yami so yabo.
Yeah.
Hayi nabe kansoyembu hayi. Yabona iy'tala zakhila kawu vele bekazibulala zonke sa.
Akusiwo umzila ngithi Ngithi bye.
So like then I was like nah man hayi ngeke phela like ukujayiva vele bengifrustana yabo.
Okay.
So no mangibona like lo muntu phela ngihlezi nginaye so hlezi ngivaya naye. So like hayi man. I was like yazini mina ke ngumuntu oshayi vele. Hayi. Ngithatha ifoni lawa. Ngithatha ifoni ngicheck lapha ku TikTok. Bengisase like that time.
Yeah.
Like whatever yale app leya.
Le-
So manje ngiya-check hayi. Check ama-video okujayiva lapha. Ngizifundise ngama-video kahle kahle mina ukujayiva.
Okay.
Yeah, self-taught
Wow.
dancer yeah.
Wow, ngamavideo just lo mjida bekangiphikisa siningi ngithi umuntu uyakwazi ukubuka kanje ujayive bese lento ijayiva yayo ijayive. Bheka umuntu ukwazi usifundisa ukujayiva ngevideo.
mina ngokuphikisile la
Utheni? Utheni?
lo mjida
Utiming madoda la uthini utheni?
angisikela mina
Wow, true mara yeah, it can happen because nathi nami ukuyeditha ngisifundise through internet ukubona internet ku YouTube ama tutorial ukuthi bayenza njani then I started trying it then boom.
Yeah, uyabona because like mina yabona mangenza something ne like ngiba consistent like
Yeah,
angifuni into
yeah.
ezongidisturb ukuthi if ngenza something ngiyenza so ngiyayilandelela.
Okay, yeah.
But like
yeah.
before I was a soccer player like ngidlala
Yeba.
i-disc like
muswele
Angiyakucela.
bathi ufuneka ngapho uyangena
Uyangena.
ufuneka ngapho
Yeah, funeka kanje.
ufuneka ngapho uyangena
Team player le.
yeah.
Team player le. Hayi ukuthi umuntu mawathoza ngaphatha mina kule position le hayi.
anishigodi
Uyabona? Sifuna umuntu osikotayo la. Oh.
Ngidlala i-disc vele too much vele like even nalithuma ngidlalela like bengiyi-captain la.
Wow. But phela kaningi ebholweni ucaptain asikunika because of wazi ibhola. Sikunika because of sakubona ukuthi dedicated.
Consistency, let me show. Mara kona bengilazi lona hayi.
Oh.
Lona mara bengalazi to that extent but
What
Consistency.
position were you playing?
mina bengidlala i-5 ne-6.
Okay, 5 and 6, yeah, that makes
Yeah.
sense because if you can play 5, it means you can play 6 because if it's also a team.
Middle.
Back, yeah, I also make it back 5.
Yeah.
Wona ngiyekwazi angithola team wena.
yes.
Mina was a defender bengiwadlala wonke ke bengikwazi ukudlala i3 ne2 ne5 ne4 wonke
Zonke nami bengizidlala mara bahlezi bangifuna la.
ku 5.
so
Alright.
so mina ngicela ukubuza like how did you feel first time stage when crowd abantu ba crowded
Eish. Le question yakho ke.
like inhliziyo wethini ngiyabona andale vandaag for you both ukungidlula vandaag
Obvious angathuza icamera nyane one nama light nyana.
Oy, eish. Jayila.
Yeah.
Jayila ukuthi asishoot singawaboni vele.
Bro, you were on stage. I saw you a video on stage with Big Zulu and Nkosazana daughter. You can't be scared of us. Tina, it's not my viewers nyana 88 nyana. Come on, bro.
And something. Le
like ukunalo music video lo ngicela ningishuteni man
How?
uyayicabanga
Ngingoma ngiyayazi mari music video no.
ukhona umjingo
Hey bana, shout out.
Ah,
Hey
man.
nomtshito ubig sangitshela ukuthi lo yes man. So okay, before sifika la stage ne.
Yeah.
Ngifuna sizofika la ku stage ni sakahlambi. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi when because of icale nge2020. Now is 2025 bra. Uyang understand?
Yeah.
Icale nini ukubloom ukubhoma le career yakho ukuthi yeah now we can see you kuNkosazana Daughters music videos, we can see you kuma music videos we piano, understand?
and yini into eyenza ukuthi like yini into encourage for lama years amaningi kangaka uyenza idance
Because you know why I'm asking this ne?
Yeah.
There are people who tried doing this 11 years ago. You started this 5 years ago, 5 years back. But now look at you now, bruh. I understand. So I want them to also understand.
Okay, so your question yakho ithini?
Icale nini ukublowa i-career yakho?
Ithi ngiqale okay from the start ke.
Sure.
So when like yeah. La khona vele ngiqala khona vele ukujayiva sengithi okay manje thiyazini. Let me take the next step yabo ngibe serious nyana so yeah.
Yeah.
Besiyi4 kahle kahle yeah so but into yakhona ayizange iye phambili too much yabo. besibiza ngani we problematic ne. Yeah, besibiza nge-problematic dance crew, yeah.
Awu.
We were 4, yeah. Totally
Oyila benisajayi because I saw i-background yini benithanda ukujayivela la eclinic beni-advertise-ani ukugula.
advertise ukugula.
Hey, ngiyasho ngisho manje.
phela at least masingana
Bafuna ukuthi hayi oyi-one makalimala njani
Oh, advantage.
hey lezi ziyangifikela lezi. Okay, so like yeah, so manje masidrayiva kanjalo yabo. We used to practice the ibhoni most of the time, yeah.
Okay.
So manje, yeah, our first result was there by the clinic.
Awu. Oh, that's why I looked down.
Yeah, our first result was there. So manje, okay. Vele besi-operator vele yabo. So then I have a friend there in Rabi Ridge yabo. His name is Stooks, yeah.
Okay.
So he's also a producer, doing music. What he not in there? Belong.
Iporompito,
Trumpet,
trumpet.
yeah.
Sifuna ngesilungu.
So ushaya nelona trumpet yabo. So manje, I don't know, there was a music video yabona coming yabo. So I think he knew the DJ yabo, or
Okay.
the one of the song. So he called me. He's like, okay, there's a music video coming up. Would you like to pull through?
Wow.
Then ngizonihlanganisa nenye crew. There was a weekly crew lapha eRubber Ridge yabo.
Oh.
So yeah, we was busy nge Zoom crew, yeah. Then okay, it was okay on Friday. We went there for rehearsal. We met with that crew there, and then we rehearsed. Then the next day it was a shoot. Yabo.
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, we shot the music video. Everything went well, yeah. Then after the music video, like we were just talking, when we like, how about we just like combine the crews? Yeah, I was asking one of their crew members.
Oh yeah.
I was like, how about we combine the crews? Because we're not exposed to the TikToks and Instagram. We're just dancing. Like, okay, then what happened?
Into 21 le.
It was 2021, yeah.
So
I think it was before or after the looting. Yeah, it was somewhere.
oh, after looting.
James ukuthi lutho speaker.
Ngabe umgayi mic iyafika le mic lapha. Mara somehow incedile.
Okay. So manje. Okay, then they were like, okay, yeah, no problem. She was like, okay, she'll tell their manager. They had a manager there. We didn't have a manager. We're managing ourselves, yeah. But I was actually in charge, yeah.
Yeah.
We're in charge everywhere.
Yeah.
Sekazini kahle lokuphatha.
Umphathi.
Yeah, umphathi.
So manje, what was it? Okay. So much okay. Then we were like same day like of the music video. Once we were done there, we were like, okay, let's just come up with a name. What are we gonna call the crew? Then I thinking, what are we gonna say? Then we came up with the name of the Unlimited Dance Crew. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's when we came up with that day. Really, like, okay, we called ourselves the Unlimited Dance Crew. Okay. Then yeah, we practice and above then like, let's go out. Let's go somewhere and do the things. Now I was not used to dancing like in public. So much. That time straight more.
Yeah, I also saw that video. You guys dancing at the mall. And then I think there was this guy was tata camera. Vukudere bathu bani. Bathu bani konje leyakhaba umziki. Uwanda. Siyaphakama usitha le ngayecova icamera nasabona because thina sibona ngale yecova emuva. Uwanda uyaphakama.
Leyo competition leyo.
Oh,
like back then.
Oh.
Yeah. Guys, so much. Hey man. It was my first time like being exposed like in public. Like okay. So now we were there by the mall now. Me, I'm not used to these things, man. Me, I'm used to dancing just to rehearse, chai, go home. Okay. Yeah, then we go to the mall. It was Mall of Chimbisa. Yeah. That was our first stop.
Oh.
Okay, when we got there, I turn on the speed. It's a shoelace. Okay. I want to very balahle nyana, very mncane, vele. Okay.
Oh, so you just went there, bokungasi competition ngasi next. You just went there to dance, to entertain people, so that
Yeah.
people, oh, wow.
Good, then okay. Then we went. Then we sasondela lapha. Me like I was not used to, like I was still shy like the way. I
Yeah.
know I'm better do that. Okay, then masondela lapha vele hayi. That's when the security asibona, ama security at is not allowed na. Hey, ama security yakhe. Okay, I feel this put up of it. That was my first time like yeah, being in public.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are actually a member of Batin Konja Unlimited dance crew.
Yes.
Why ngayibonanga le? I didn't catch that phela ngikesha manje. Okay.
Screw.
Ukuthi lo mjida imem. Mina ngazi umzira.
Man, I know.
Kuba kanjani uzuru kangazi? Ake ngazi uzuru kangazi.
Serious. Okay.
Futhi mu research ngomzira engazi.
So out of konje bengifuna ukuthini alama question lo muntu ongisendela lama question ngicabanga wabhala ukuthi why should we hire you sizomhire lo mjida la lo muntu ngiyamcosha le
Oh, mara you can hire me. Mina ngizohlala nje backstage la. Ngizoba behind the cam. Behind the cam.
So since you were dancing since you started dancing, which is your greatest strength as a dancer and your weakness strength? La ngithi uthe mawudansa yabona ukuthi nge-comedy like they call it dying. I can go there do stand up comedy but ngibona ukuthi today I died. Abantu bangahleki the way ngijwayele ngakhona yeah. Like which yiphi le ndlela lokho wahlangana nayo wathi mawufika stage macala ukuthi abantu bavele bathi yo or bangakuphi that energy leyo uyijwayele.
Ikhona.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, like eish.
Maraliza ngale gama lakhona
Unlimited. So you guys are unlimited and pelele. Yeah.
Unlimited.
One way, dance one way. So show ukuthi ayikho lelanga lelo show ukuthi you have never entertained abantu.
Unless if mina ngizange ngayifila ke. Because kunama ama performance vela ngeke kwafile wonke the way ama performance yabo. Uzonofila lapho ukuthi okay yabona lapha senzile mara akufana. Wena la uzukuthi yawo yabona nawe nama wehle stage vele yes ukuthi yawo yabona manje kusibalekile ke. Namanye nje vele ubone nje sixaba nesisodwa nje uzokuthi hayi manje kusekho grand. Yabona. Yeah, kanti izivela vele ziyenzeka vele.
Manje bra nkosazana daughter bra. Nkosazana daughter. So ngitshela ukuthi ubonela la wabuhle beauty plant that girl is so beautiful. Yo. Baba. Yo and I saw you kule video le bokhona ila bekadabukela khona I think it dress or yini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what happened kulalanga vele?
Okulelanga kahle kwakumele siperform for that day. So the other two dancers choose ukulova yabo.
How?
Yeah.
So mina ngifuna ukwazi ngale address, was it small or kwenzakale? Umuntu othungile akathunganga kahle.
Umuntu othungile lapho uthunge zona lapha just that abantu yazi ukuthi abantu vele bayakhuluma. Into ezekile lapha kuvuleke iziphi yabo. So kusho ukuthi naye yabona ugirl vele beka driver yabo so futhi ugcine seyangasana ukuthi kwenzakalani vele yabo.
Because so focus
Yeah,
dancing.
Because imfethu ezinye izinto yabona uzothi usabheke i-crowd ngapha uzosibheka nesikhathi sokuzilungisa stage imfethu sikho leso sikhathi leso.
Ngane
Even if usestage mfethu noma ngawe isigqoko ukushaya ngenye style eyimbi mfethu iyaqhubeka. Kuzomele uthole indlela yokuthi yazini ngize ngithole lapha ngize ngisidobhe mara ukuthi ume nje eroutinini yodobha isigqoko disqualify same time. Yeah.
Okay.
So into ezinjalo cause vele like nami like cause nami like I didn't even notice that vele
Ibone up.
ivulekile. Mina ngibona sekuthiwa niyatrenda kuze niyatrenda ngithi hawu and then
Ni South Africa yona i-wrong.
so manje check leya lokhu njana leya ngiyabona manje ukuthi hayi man yilona leya izipho liqhaqheke
Izipho.
lapha because even when we were done like imanager yakikizile lapha efika yamlungisa izipho yabo kahle iroko ngize siqedile ukuperform.
So tell me, bruh, about before you go into a performance, are you guys sitting together in the same car or? Ngifuna ukwazi,
Mina
ngifuna
ngikhe
ukuba
ngabona le video le bayiperforma manje bathini le stadium lesi wothanda
FNB.
FNB bebahamba bonke emotweni eyi-1
awu
spali.
Yeah.
wona boyisi oh bona ivideo. So you in the same car with her?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like same car, same everything, yeah.
Same ningena ngesikhathi esiyi-1 stage. Or
Like obvious ba rehearsa bonke lifa.
bra
Like, okay,
ngifuna kungena kule world la ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani before nini performer. Do you guys leave her alone in her car or ngifuna ungenise into details
Like
before perform.
before
Okay,
nge-rehearsal
in a short way, how do you guys live mani naye ngale into ofuna ukuyazi?
yeah ukuthi ubeka in a short way ubeka in a stupid way.
Like ngisafuna uku-understand le question yabo.
Hey Shangazi, okay, iphendule the way uhlamabiza khona ukuthi how do you live ngathini around her?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Do you guys have that thing ukuthi okay nkosazana daughter siphapi siyazibamba yeah uyangithola asina angazi ukuthi uyangithola mina nginalento leyo ukuthi mangibona celebrity sibale anginandaba ukuthi ngibona bani sibala ngibona lo muntu engimthanda ngibananta over excitement, I understand. I can
Okay,
live
manje ngiya-understand
Yeah.
ke khani ibeka ke. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi like how did we because yeah I'm no longer working with them.
oh we'll
Yeah.
get there.
Yeah.
So okay, first of all uyithole kanjani le gig? Uyithola kanjani le gig be?
Yeah.
Eish. Ekale ngibulephana ngipula kwe-out yami kahle kahle uStuki Majayivani yabo ya shout out. Yeah.
Shout out to Stuki Majayivani.
Yeah, yenye yasegazi nayo most of the time ngiphusha nayo vele like mostly amavideo amangawachecka uzoyibona nje imhlophe.
Okay.
Masikhona vele siphusha sonke.
Ngibonile ngathi Benjavis Pantula wayo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So no, it was actually on Friday. Hey, ufuna ngiqale yonke into. So it was actually on Friday. So like I was actually supposed to go to work. Esipanini vele bengena ngo-10 yabo.
Yeah.
So manje okay. Like ngiqeda ukuvuka kwabona ukuthi uvuke before khali alarm.
And it can happen,
Yeah.
It can happen.
So manje ngiyavuka ngicheck isikhathi. Ngaphinda ngisase la phose ifoni phasi umqamela. Mangithi nyalala futhi ngizwa ngekhola. Yebo. Ustuki uzokwathi ngifonile ile. Lena ifoni leya.
Bese mayifuna ukuthi kunento enzakalayo. Kuyafuneka.
So manje okay ayi ngiyayi-answer vele. Skipper. Ebaba uva ngithi ngisendlini. Uyasipana vandag. Ngithi ya ngiyasipana vandag. Why? Ethi ngishonto ngedance eli-1 inkosazana. Kodwa idance eli-1 inkosazana. Okwenze njani? I'm like fonela ubobo ba mina ngiyasipana kunenye ubobo esegazi na. Nawu ngokusipana nayo sometime. Ngithi ayifonela ubobo mina ngiyasipana mina vandag. Ethi ngimzamile untwana akabamba ifoni ngithi hawu. ngithi so manje akula muntu ongamfonela udaka yakho ngibazamile ngithi wenza mini last option
Hey.
Hayi mara uNkulunkulu usebenza ngendlela eziningi.
Hey, wena.
Ebheke wena. Baze bahale bonke.
Cabanga abalanga babambi
Like
phone.
abayitho
Yeah,
yeah.
Oh uNkulunkulu bale bona. Into efuna ukuyisho. Okay, asiqhubeke.
so manje ngithi ngithi yazini okay yazini ithi ngishaya iplan mina ngizobuyela kuwe nje ngigaye 10 minutes manje ke sekumele ngifonele imanager yami ke manje
Shaya.
manje ke yabona ke manje yazi ukuthi mazokhuluma nemanager vele
Ngathi ukhuluma ne-girlfriend yakho. Kumele change voice.
kumele manje yabona ukhulume lokho serious manje
Yeah.
okay angithini hayi fonele imanager sibanye lapho ngithuke nyasho ukuthi bazothi hayi baba awuyindawo because vele it was close to month end by that time. Month end is yakhala. It was month end kahle kahle bekuyi 25 Friday Saturday ngazi ukuthi bekuyi 26 Saturday ngisakhumbula but bekuyi month end hayi ngiyafona vele ngifonela imanager ithi memu njani hayi it's okay uyangazi ke yabona wasingaqala ngafona bese ngathula sekayazi phezulu ngasafthi okay hayi ngiyamtshela ngithi hayi mem baqeda ungifonela manje kumele ngiye Durban
Yeah.
he ngithi ya kumele ngiye Durban ya vele bengitshela ngikike se Durban iFNB wengakangitsheli ngayo Durban uthi hawu okay uthi hamba mawubuya uzosayina leave form kanjalo hayi dako
Hawu uNkulunkulu bekanawo.
Befuna wena straight into le.
Shout out to uNkulunkulu.
yeah shout out to my manager also
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
manje bese ngibuyela kuleyo kwabile ngiyayitshela okay baba si on imanager yami ithi ngibuye ngizosayina leave form phela ithi okay ke vela la kimi nje before 10
Sure.
because ngo-10 kumele sifike ngarayi Blue Valley sengiya-expose ngarayi Midrand ya okay vele before 10 vele ngilende ngale kuye suka kuye sihamba siye lona iselopile silanda omunye lapha bese basi-requestela the-rehearsal vele safika nje naye sa-rehearsa naye grand yonke into nje
Nafika unkosazana khona.
asithola lapha yena
Hey wena.
Uthemba ka emngani umimo. Uthemba ka vele. Inhliziyo bayithini? Isukile yamponsini.
cha lutho hayi inkinga mina
Mara mani ngafuna ukukhuluma niyekini dlala. Usho ukuthi inhliziyo ikasuka yepho.
hey bitch ukuthi manje okay into enzekile lapha vele masifika lapha vele ifike yasidrop i-Uber yabona then bayibhadala vele sehla vele angithi besiyi-4 vele okay sifike lapha la beklala khona imanager yakhe vele so salinda lapha vele so bathe vele sifike for i-rehearsal vele because kuyi-first time siperforma nayo ezinjalo so kwamele mfana okay safika vele ngo-10 vele okay sa-relaxa lapha maybe ufike after 30 minutes nyana la 25 minutes ya
No.
makafika vele mina mfethu angazi mina njani angikwazi like ukusikhulumisana mina mina ngishayisa ngomoya
Hayi usifanele nawe.
Yeah.
mina nje ngiyakubulisa nje grand phela hayi angikwazi mina leso kuzokuthi manje ucabanga ukuthi manje angikwazi nokuloma no angikwazi lutho angikwazi
Okay. Okay. So ithole kanjani le gig le?
yeah ngithola
Until like cause so after kungena kunkosazana and then did you guys dance for her music videos or you were hired? Did you sign some contract? I want to understand because I want to go industry music. Mawungena bakusanisa contract ukuthi manje you are signing under Tina what record kunkabi nation record Two Souls record so nina maningena do we agree ngokuthi sinifuna manje siyanibhadala nehamba or you sign a contract
la contract yedance umlo
oh yeah
as long as sikhulumile kodwa ngizokubhadala imali so isikhathi so or ngiyamagiga so uthola imali so yeah
so were you guys permanent dancers for her or you were just dancing for
Part
that time
leyo ke
oh let me put it like this ikanjani ulo muntu lo ukuthi because of uyazi ukuthi uSK ukhona mangimfuna uyiphi music video I can call him
It was not a music video. It was like for performance. Yeah.
Oh, it was for performance.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you were going to perform at FNB.
Yeah. FNP it was on a Saturday. Then yeah.
How many times did you perform with her?
Angikhumbula.
It means
'Cause-
it many, but in many times, ne?
Anytime.
That's not really many, but yeah, 1 month is yeah,
Wow.
it's a lot.
Okay. 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 So, bra. Oh, so I saw you, bra, on Big Brother season 5. Is in season 5? Yes, season 5. Yeah. Yeah.
Eish.
Hayi
Eh,
wena.
wena.
Hayi wena. Eh? Awungaphendula. Hey, bra.
Yeah.
Season 5 of Big Brother, bra.
Ubangene la.
Sengithi phela ngithe mina bangibheke i-research yalo mtshita ngithe batata phela umuntu loyitho kumele sithuke ukuthi uyeza la.
Nakuthuka yena.
Eh. So what happened? Uyithole kanjani le gig ye-Big Brother yo?
Eish, le Big Brother le. Okay, afuna ukukhuluma ngayo ne mara sengizokhuluma ngayo. Kwenzeka same thing njengale kaNkosazana le.
Aw. Wow.
Yeah, so like okay. I was also called. They were like, "Hey, Baba, pull up to Sowetos Finance like tomorrow, 10 o'clock." I was like, 10 o'clock, Sowetos Finance. Why? They're like, yeah, it's a gig for Big Brother. And what? Yeah. I was like, okay. That's when I got it like that.
Through the same friend.
I know, no, that's not
Oh.
the same friend. Yeah.
Oh.
It was Drivey London from Chembis. Yeah.
Oh, shout out.
Yeah,
shout
shout
out.
out.
To Jaimelani.
Wow. Ay. So
So le guy ngicela ningishutheni man. Yona ithole kanjani?
nomtshito uvayile sibali.
leyo
sibali.
Sesiyashuta.
Hey.
Leyo mfethu bangilande direct ke le.
Connecteni kulezi ngomeni zambayo. Uyalanja lo mtshita thina we have to go and knock through doors. Lo mtshita yena uyalanja.
Manyanyi. Adlalela shawo 4.
Mfethu yazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu makavumile uvumile.
Straight. Yeah.
Akuna kubuyela emuva vele.
Yeah.
So manje it was I think it was on Sunday. It was on Sunday. Angisakhumbuli kahle mara that day ne like bengingana data.
Yeah.
Ziyakhala. So like okay ngithini? Ngiyangara yilona Pick n Pay vele. Etime semakuleni angipostana.
Yeah.
Ngihlala opposite Pick n Pay vele. So
Oh.
ngiyangara Pick n Pay.
Ngitho
vele.
ngathi angazi.
So manje ngiyangara emakuleni elona Pick n
Pick n
Pay
Pay.
vele ngithengile i-airtime vele ngifaka idatha. Ngithi mangithi hayibo ngibona imessage. And then one manje lo. Amanamba akhona lekha kwasefa.
Awawazi yeah.
Lekha ngiwazi lama number lawo. Hayi man mawungachecka lama number lawo ngeke ngawatexta mos lama number lawo. Okay. Like mara bengawatexteli mina yabo. Bebenza studio camp I think bebenza studio camp ePolokwane yabo.
Okay.
So manje mina bengiphandela amajita wami lapha kunamajita wami vele aya DJ yabo.
Yeah.
So bengiphandela wona vele lapha vele producer nawo. So vele azange bangiresponda vele okay. Phuma lapho vele. Hey. Ngijula okay yabona okay. Hi, I need you for a music video. It's a Master KG music video for this song.
Wow.
I'm like, wow. Yeah. That's a scam list. Then I'm not gonna scam.
Hey, you never know.
So much. Vele manje ngifocus efonini manje. Ngifocus kulo muntu ngimuzwa ukuthi uthini ehleka.
Yeah.
So manje sengimfaka ama-question vele ngiyambuza ukuthi for which song and who are you nani nani. Mangithi lo muntu lo okay. Mina mangiqeda ukuphuma ngathi aya kuNkosazana Productions yabo. Kusale kwangena yena after yabo asala manage uNkosazana. So mina bengingazi so kusho ukuthi amanamba wami wacove ngada.
Ngada.
Yeah, I'm cheater from there.
Wow.
Wow.
So phela nami ngangimangele phela. Kunomuntu ovela akutext nje kanjalo.
Hey. Wow, yeah, ne.
Yeah.
Street, yeah. uNkulunkulu
Ngicela
uvumile street.
ningishuthe man.
Yeah, so tell me, bruh, since we have been dancing with Nkosazana, you have been on Big Brother, you have been on that music video of Master
Emo,
KG.
Gun Flavor.
Eh?
Yeah, it's Gun Flavor, Master KG
Yeah.
featuring Emo. Yeah.
So tell me, out of all these things, ngitshela ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani? Have you ever felt that feeling of fame? Ukuthi uyothi nje mawuthi ula estradini but yo now SK can you have some pictures?
Ningishuthe.
Eish. Leyo ne like for no angakayifeel because angakasebenzi enough kusafuna ukuspana.
What do you mean awakasebenzi now?
Angakasebenzi enough.
Ukuthi we can recognize you or kanjani understand.
Yo, recognition and money, my man. Kufuneka imali.
but because of Pelatina expectation ukuthi this guy did this Big Brother and this phela kusho ukuthi imali yakhona iyacaca noma ingacaca ngalo but still is something else.
Yeah, kona is something ne but as long as ngisawalker mina angakenzi next.
Iseza lapha, he's still coming
Yeah.
there. You never know. One day you're gonna dance and then win a car. You never know you're gonna get a sponsorship from a car, a dealership from a car. You never know.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that like angakasebenzi enough like to deserve that spotlight kahle kahle. Yeah.
But being spotlighted or being famous doesn't need money. Fame doesn't need money somehow. Ukuthi sikwazi. You have been there on our screens, bruh. You have been there. We are there on people's phones. TikTok. We are doing numbers on YouTube. You understand le nto engikhuluma?
Yeah, but if I idinga imali, my man, ayikho ube ne-fame ubese ungabe nemali, ube broke.
Idinga imali only to expose yourself or to explore yourself on internet, but through estradini angazi ukuthi uyangiunderstand le nto engikhulumayo. Ungitshela ukuthi how many people saw you on that stage of Big Brother? How many people saw you on that stage with Nkosazana? How many people saw that music video of Master KG? Ungitshela ukuthi asukubonanga.
Phela mfethu angazi ukuthi uzayiphendula ngithini. Okay, phela ngiyayizwa ipoint yakho. Mara angakasebenzi enough yeah. Sicela ama-bookings lapho.
So are you ready but for that fame? Because we see people right now who are saying they don't want pictures with people. So my question is, are you ready for that fame? Because people get into subscribe to this thing forgetting ukuthi at the end of the day or one day uyenzela abantu phela abantu laba bazozakuwe bakuhluphe ngamafoto. Just like for example, I hate to talk about this every day but uScott the perfect example. Yeah, so you connect sekasuka kuma-Jive seka engineer.
Idonsile le ntambo le
Ayazakala.
Okay, so ngiyayizwa ipoint yakho ne nginga ish. Dala ngicela amaphiki mina yo.
Dala wacela.
Dala ngacelwa like
Okay.
ngihambile ama-school tours mfethu amaphiki
Okay.
angapheli yeah which means like issue ngathina like as long as ku-entertainment industry like you kwamele uba-understand abantu like especially abantu abakufroselanayo bitch yeah like but for sports yabona yana bengingamblame mina angazi ukuthi kuna something nje mphazamisile nangimblame la because like mawumuntu ne like ukubona ucabanga ukuthi okay ucabanga nawe uzosho ukuthi ya manje ngiright mangenza so like sometimes ukudinga abantu abadala vele bona bazokubonisa ukuthi hayi
Yeah, uyubona
so wenza so
lento leya uScott ngaba ayize ngenye indlela. There was another way of putting it. Angabatsheli straight ukuthi angifuna amafoto. Yeza bike kanjani? Bafethu, as you are my followers, I love you, you know ukuthi I love you. But here's the thing. Every day manje ngibona nifuna amafoto. I can take 2 or 3 photos, okay? But after that, if ngijahile ngibona ngimangihamba ngithi ngiyahamba angikwazi ukuthatha ama-photo. It's because of ngijahela amagigi. Amagigini angifuna ukuba late. And mangiza late emagigini yini enithenga lamathikithi yini enizocomplain. So if ngithatha wona 2 photos late because of ile sikhathi engibe naso mangihambayo uyangithola ningathi ngiyachoma mangam so yena uyibeka ngokuthi ya angisakwazi nokuhamba ngiyothenga ini abantu yini
phela mfethu yabona ne once soba famous njengabosikozi kanje so usayine i-contract yokuthi awusazovuka free
exactly bra exactly usayine i-contract ukuthi namanje mawungafokana nomfazi wakho la endlini but immediately maphuma estradini bra you must smile. You must smile. Akumelanga ukuthi ngoba unufakana nomfazi wakho mangithi ngicela ifoto so ngihlaba ngempama.
Yeah. Yazwakala.
So have you ever been on stage and then been provoked?
No, too much. Yazi bakuthele ngebhiya ne.
Yeah.
So inhliziyo ithini lapho?
Uyathanda inhliziyo wena.
Mara yithi makukwata ngithi ukukwata inhliziyo.
Hey inhliziyo.
Yabona ne. Awude bafrostana ne mara yabona ne masothelwa ngebhiya mina yabona vela ngiphuze.
Awuphuze. Awubhemi.
Next.
Yeah.
So manje like sometimes
Hey, I wonder wenzani.
Yeah, so awuthi phela mfethu kuhleza sesipanini so makuvela lalanga lelo vele lokuyechange vele yachecheka.
Ngisho uthi unemali awuphuza awubhemi.
Hayi phoqa.
Oh, spoil. Oh, no unemali mfethu.
Awuzobambisa lo mjida ngini.
Ora lesifula. Phela umuntu ongaphuzi ongabhemi la.
Ayilapho.
Uyabasaba? Nyala. Uyabasaba vele. Amaro right, indoda enokwababe right, hayi. Uba save intweni eziningi, ukhulela ababadla too much. Baba inkingeni every day. Every day sikhipha ama-900 la abantu mabavuka. Sikhipha ama-1000 imali khona.
Like yabona
Ukuzibamba ku right.
Because yabona bewuzibamba yabona nokubheka nebona ukuthi type yami.
Yeah.
Try that break baba. Yawuphuma intweni. Ungasipayizisi.
Usasitshele ngokuthelwa ngebhiya.
Ukuthelwa ngebhiya.
In on stage.
Oh, like mfethu busy performer like. Perform. Ngifika ngalaba baba. Ngudi Heineken. Lapho umuntu ukujabulele mara ukutshela ngebhiya mfethu ujabula kanjani ukutshela.
Inkinga nathi siba over excited yes sometimes.
So manje sekumele manje usmile ngenkani manje just because
Che uthi noma bathi kumele mvimo. Akubi.
Phela obviously mfethu.
Manje labo bashaya abantu be-stage kushuthi abayi-understand lento le.
No, enye into yakwatisa sibali. Yabo njengalo ngibengisazokhuluma ngayo la ngazi ukuthi idancer kaKarish Morega yaka Mandesh bathu bani uShandesh lo bakathi asathu lakhe inyawo bambamba inyawo cabanga ubamba umuntu inyawo stage uyamlanda kasala umthita akwatile phela uzona amangaphuka italent iphelile icareer iphelile
Ispani siphelile.
Ispani siphelile.
Sekumele manje ushaya CV manje.
Awushaya i-man down.
Nathi ngabantu siba over excited angazi why Spani. Uthi wayesinga control excitement yethu kahle umuntu masimjabulele ye ukuthi ubuza umdonse.
Baba mina besides lokuthela ibhiya akunabanye vele.
Maybe ufuna ukuba ufika abatshela endlini ukuthi hayi
ngimbambile ya inkinga le ukuthi ngimbambile yime ngimdonse.
So manje amshaya lo muntu lo.
Umshaye umshaya phela umkhahlelile. Leya une right. Sometimes nathi abantu siba over excited too much. Siyakhohle ukuthi labantu labana abantu noma kwama celebrity mara still abantu bafana nathi banama feelings. You understand? Khona manje lo muntu lo makuthela ngebhiya wena ungaphuzi. Uyingebe ungekho stage we were gonna do something. But because of usemsebenzini.
Like okay, let's paper nge black and white impilo. Ngicabanga manje. Stage siyoba njani lesikhipha white. Because angeke uperform uhambe same time. Ngoba event vele. Performer bese
uyahamba performer la.
Or you perform somewhere else. So manje
mara mele nibe professional now nye uhamba uperform kule event lebese uhamba manje uma perform la nge same uniform. hayi le nto
Baba.
uyijulukile laphaya
Yeah.
Mele-
Phela yabona kunamanye amalona ama-slot ukuthi like ayalandelana so.
oh
So manje mfethu nawe futhi mfethu angeke nawe uhlezi uphethe into ezingaka zokuchange mfethu.
oh baba
Oh, you change until phela okay let's say driver siyi4 kanje. So manje ufuna ukuthi manje each and every gig kumele sibe nama outfit maybe let's say sina 5 gigs.
sure 5 outfit
Angeke.
oh span
Ngisho le artist aliyenzi leyo nto leyo nezaka.
hayi namara
Hayi.
Eh,
Bangashaya leyo 2 outfits nyana leyo or 1.
yeah.
Angeke.
ongcono uye lapha unokutshwala mara kuyafana etshwaleni
Because nawe mama ulapha vele angithi mawuya lapha awazi ukuthi bazokuthela ngotshwala. Wena uyo driver lapha.
hayi nevele ya
Yebo.
that's the thing
Shaya isipani uphume
ushaya
kanje.
isipana umuntu mafika lapha ukuthala ngotshwala
Eh,
ngikubona unenkani estage ngasho ngithele umjida bona ubig zulu sibani
indoda enje.
indoda inesiphangi embonzini iphela la South Africa
Ah, unesiphandle emponzini.
angithakaza ambona akhumulile mina ngikhe ngambona akhumulile ubig zulu lekhavela yakhe hawu baba unesiphangi akulomboni mbonzi enkani
Lomkhulu. Lomkhulu.
umponzuni kanti ngoba umponzi lo direct
Oh.
shanga siphangi umponzi unkani sibani
Okay, makumbhonzi lo lezi ezinye yini?
angizula ngazi
Oh.
Ngihlangana.
P baba
21 madam.
yini
21.
yo
Yeah.
asithuka
Loko xi ri 1 xi 21.
va nga transfera free camp ixintirwana
21 loko xi ri 1 lexi xi 21.
Ufake subtitle there for writing. Hey nama ngisakuza.
isibala umponzi xintirwana
Yeah, xi 21.
emarina nyatsa umponzi mina musi phela bawunyatsa sibale phela umponzi ifala nalomunye lo womkhulu kundlula lemine leyo yona
Mina lo mpunzi.
umponzi esange Yakuza SK, so tell me, my bro. I know you have been far, but I know you still got plans of life. So what do you want to see yourself after maybe 5 to 10 years? Njengoba manje after 5 years you are here
So
now.
iqalile
Yeah.
la kusanokuthi uyoturn around. So uyaphanda.
Where do I see myself?
Yes.
After 10 years or 5?
It depends. Let me say after 10. Because
After
now
10.
after 5 years you are here. Yeah. Let us put 10 now.
After 10 years kahle kahle ya ngizibona sengine studio sami enhle.
Yeah.
Own yini?
Owning your
My
studio.
own dance studio, my man. Yeah.
Have you ever thought of being an international dancer somewhere?
Every day.
Teaching, maybe let's say teaching Ispoja or dancing in China because it may happen.
Yeah, yabona leyo ke hayi every day, my man, like yeah.
So what can you encourage upcoming dancers?
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. First things first, yabona like you must have a reason why you are doing this, yabo. Because if I want a reason, I want a direction.
Wow. Man,
Yeah, you must have a reason why you're doing it. And where do you want to see yourself within a period of time? Because like, but I mean, it was, when was it? It was what? It was 2021, 2022. Yeah, it was 2022. La bekubotshela khona endlini ukuthi yabona this year angeke kuphele lo nyaka angavelanga e-TV.
wow.
Abatshela straight net so ngathi
Shut
this
up.
year iphele
Yeah.
ingavelanga e-TV.
Yeah.
Like yenzekile kuyakhona ngavele e-TV ni grand kahle. Then like yeah, that's why I'm saying that okay. Besides logo like okay, asiyeke e-TV manje. Into enga encourage ngayo ukuthi okay, yeah, consistency number 1. Dedication, you must be
Yeah.
dedicated.
Yes.
Because if you are not consistent, then why are you doing it? That's why I'm saying you must have a reason.
Yeah. Don't just do it for fun.
Fun.
Because if you're doing it for fun, you're gonna give up.
You can do it for fun if you don't dream about it. Yabona. just like us yabona mina eish yabona mina abantu abangi-encourage kakhulu ya Limpopo boy noTebuza Diphehlo yabona abantu engivele actually uTebuza Diphehlo yena umuntu engimbhekayo ke ukuthi ya yena umuntu ukuthi ngiyambheka ke lo ya like because like hey leya yefrostane leya
Nah.
yeah no Limpopo yena ne ya yangichaza the way avaya ngakhona mara
Libo boy.
Limpopo boy
Oh, hey, phela uyibiza fast man.
yeah
Oh,
shit
hey.
fast
Hey, oh.
Yathetha uTata.
yeah
Yeah, and now he's international him.
yeah
Hey,
very
yes,
yo
yes.
so yabona yilo nami leyo ngifuna ukumcomplisha leyo ukuthi ya
Yeah.
at least mfethu ukuvaya ama-country mfethu angifuni kuphela ngithi ngishiya istudio sami ngayo mfethu ngiyofaka eclass ngara overseas into engiyifunayo leyo
I think you guys, when you do some of your videos, even you, the Unlimited Crew guys, ne, when you do your videos, you should also take that guy over to Robot Boy. Uyawathanda ama-kasi dancers, that guy. Uzona-attenda one day.
yeah
Uyabona, yeah, that guy, I know, uyabona that guy.
Ngihamba naye ke ngeyijwali
Yeah, mfethu. Wow.
No Limpopo boy, lo mtito wenza lento. Obhenga uthi
Eh.
Limpopo boy.
Robot Boy. Le
Lo mtito
flavor-
wenza lento.
Le
Yeah.
flavor tone, yeah, le green, le yeka Robot Boy. Yeah.
Kulile.
Yeah, ushayike nje. Uzovuka one day. All right. Yeah. Last question for you. Do you have any question for us?
okay yeah, I have a question for you
Yeah.
let me just say by the end of this year where do you want to see this podcast on okay a YouTube channel actually ngibona nifika kuma-subscribers ayingaki by the end of this year
By the end of this year,
yeah
December. Maybe let's say if we can reach only 1,000 this year is enough on YouTube. Because YouTube is
It's not
hard,
enough.
bruh. No, for me, not the way for me is enough for a
start
podcaster.
for this
Yeah.
year.
For a podcaster. Because you know why? Because there are a lot of podcasters, bruh, if you can check. Lot of them.
yeah there are a lot of podcasters but
But what? And it's hard to tell people to subscribe, even if you tell them they won't subscribe because of a lot of people. A lot of people think subscribing on YouTube is money and it's not money.
it's for
And we
free.
always tell them subscribing is only for free. You are subscriber for ukuthi must post. Ukwazi ukubona ukuthi sipostile. So people don't understand that.
Fana nokuklicka le button look like.
Exactly. We don't even like, don't even comment, but we are pega. If it's a pega YouTube, because we have YouTube studio, if you are pega, ama watch time, you can see ukuthi abantu abangabhekanga until the end of the video.
Yeah.
Abantu maybe by 5, but the rest, le 38 le or le 88 le ibheke until the end of the video, but people don't comment, don't like.
Eish, yeah yeah le nto
So it's hard to push people.
Yeah.
That's why 1,000 followers on YouTube is enough for me. But to TikTok is not enough because TikTok I can push. I can make more than 1,000. Today I can open an account for TikTok. I can make 1,000 followers for you and sell you that account.
happy mina funa ungishayele 100k anyangala siyeza lapho 100k lapho road to 10k followers
Yeah.
Awash.
Yeah, Mafethu. Shout out to Mofire Mafethu, for DJ Smooth Mafethu, to my vula ititito. Awuka uda de umthos.
yeah
Awisho lapho to my vula itini.
T-
Yes, abantu abakwazi
Wait,
ukuthi.
wait.
Yeah.
Ngoko.
And then manje kuyipuza uhlamba uthi ubhodla Mofire Mafethu, ubhodla umlilo Mafethu. Original flavor lena Mafethu. This one is blueberry, this one is pusha passion Mafethu. This one vitamin thing le yaka robot le flavor tone Mafethu. Konje bathini le bathi ngekhohle le. I-cherry boom, i-ginger lena Bafethu. Shout out to Stefina Pasha for the books Bafethu. If you want the books Bafethu, scan the IQR code on the screen Bafethu to purchase the books. The author of the books is Stefina Pasha Bafethu. Yeah. And
Ngiyakhona ukukhuluma ngama sign language.
Yeah.
Akekho ulusha.
yeah. Anything to plug my talk. Where can we find you for our bookings?
Yeah.
Where can we follow you?
Umuntu makafuna ukukubona ukuthi ngifuna ukubona le yansizwa leya.
Yeah.
Lo yatata.
Okay, just calling on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram it's hey,
It's
you can
SK.
underscore. Okay, it's the real SK. Yeah, so like it's lawyer there, lawyer. Share with double E. Then it's the underscore real underscore SK, which means SKAY. Yeah.
Okay.
Then TikTok, Sinechemba 696. Facebook, the real SK. One way.
Okay. Usinethemba Njeje. Uyayazi Njeje?
Hey, get out my jaco, yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, get out
Alright, bafethu sivala ka Mzira. When are we gonna have you, baba? How come Mzira Mike asitshela ukuthi so banani
Bazwe
kule
ivoice
podcast?
yakhe.
Hawu. Kunini sithi abantu baku limited crew bonke babeze sibafuna bonke.
Lesibeselo sincane.
Mangithi bonke phela nyeke nani niza nonke. Ngisho ukuthi today sibiza nonke sasa sibiza. Lisho ukuthi mkhulubuka nonke.
Kumele manifuna i-crew size sonke.
Esibale ngama mic ayi3.
Okay, phela obvious. Okay, let's say okay, lana kuzongena 2. Then the rest will be behind the
Yazi
camera.
asibeke kanjani? Nathi uNkulunkulu uzosithatha to this level. Asibeke to that level. Don't
Yeah.
worry. So
Mzira ukhuluma iPetri phelile la uthi so when are we gonna have you on the podcast, baba? Yeah. All right. No problem. That was Mzira bafethu.
SG.
Yeah, sivala kanjalo before laptop icima bafethu. Ngokuthatha today bafethu. Asithi we boo.
So ndine wevala ngakhona so vele. Hawe.
Sure, amazulu wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu vela apho wazala. Yasema mvuzo umveli uncaka. Uveli encaka lo mjiki.
Uveli kamala.
So ngoba uveli encaka wavele bathi uveli encaka. Ubuye encaka uNkulunkulu. Ngithola iprove ukuthi uNkulunkulu bokumuntu omnyama ke. Ubuye encaka.
Umzulu.
uNkulunkulu umzulu.
The blood of Jesus.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Yourself the season. Sila. Location. Sila.